What is poppin', my Galactic Shinobi fam and ATEEZ? We're here, baby. It's been a long time since I've done anything with ATEEZ. I need to go back and watch more of their videos from earlier. But we are here with their comeback, Fireworks I'm the One official MV. This is their comeback. And I know, before y'all even get ahead of me, I know Mingi has been on hiatus, because he's been experiencing anxiety. I do pray and hope for him, because anxiety sucks. I deal with it. It's on rare occasions when my anxiety really hits me bad. I have to be in a really uncomfortable situation for my anxiety to act up. But anyways, enough with that. I wish him the best. So with the other members, I don't really, I've been learning a little bit more of their names now. I literally today, before I started doing this, so I know Hong Juong. Y'all can tell me how to pronounce his name correctly in the bottom. I know he's the leader, rapper, composer, and he is always center. Sungwa, I know he was Mr. in Inception, lifting his shirt up, being very disrespectful to all the members of the fandoms and just trying to destroy them. I know we got Yunho, and then we have Yo Sang, we have San. Then we have, of course, I said I just talked about Mingi. We got Wu Yang, and then we got Jung Ho. So it's I got the little profiles up right here. So that's what I'm trying to do. But anyways, all I'm trying to say is I'm trying to learn more about ATEEZ. I need to get back on the grind of watching the rest of the videos all the way up to what I already have watched and reacted to wherever I need to catch up on. But anyways, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Clouds Baby. Minus the baby. I like saying baby a lot. My name is Clouds. I react to K-pop, P-pop, and Asian hip-hop artists that I really vibe with. That's why I'm about this channel. I like to support our fellow Asians, because I am half Filipino. If you're brand new to this, like I say, if you're brand new to this channel, you didn't know, I am half Filipino. So I take pride into being half Asian. It's in my bloodline and always will be, and I always will appreciate it. That's why I like appreciating all this other culture that's going on. And I just love the music, the vibes, the cinematography, just the art that goes into K-pop, P-pop, and all of that fantasticness. So hit the subscribe button if you want to, see more of my content, if this makes you want to see more. And also hit the like button, because it really helps your boy get on recommendations to bring in new people, to let you know, to bring in more fans of this group, and to encourage me to even go further more with this group, because that's what I love to see. That's what I want to do. That's how it always is. My motto is always stay golden. I like to keep positivity around here, but that's all I gotta say around here. Let's get it, baby. Boop. Transitions. We are here. Let's get it. KQ Entertainment. Ooh, visuals already? Okay, Sungwa. Yo Sang. Okay. Okay. This is San, right? Mr. Why they gave him a crop top? They gave him a crop top. Like, they gave him a crop top. Like, and they did it up close to it. Okay. Oops. Did I do that? That's my bad. Okay. Seong giving us face. That's Jung Ho, right? Okay, hold on. Okay. Alright, hold on. We gotta change. We gotta turn that back. That whole beat switch. That was. I was not ready for that because I know it was. I know because Mingy's part was just right there at that part because I know he's not in the music video, so like that really just threw me off for the moment. It really just did. I was not expecting that beat transition right there. We gotta let that play back. And then Sungwa just showing his face, serving it. Just the visuals and looks. Jung Ho. And then there's the leader. Okay. They are serving us looks. There's Woo Young. Ooh, I like that. Just, bruh, visuals. These visuals. Look at this. Look at this. This is a whole, just with this background right here, with just the setup, the scene right here, bro. This is, bro. Y'all can get mad if y'all seen the pausing right now. This is what we do over here. There's other channels you want to see that will watch it all the way through. I am just here to show y'all. Like, I really appreciate the art that goes into this. Like, look at this scene right here. This is absolutely flawless. And Mans right here. Mans is literally, I'm pretty sure, this is y'all saying. Look at this look, this visual. His skin is glowing with this whole scene. Come on, man. Come on, man. Hongjo. Okay, he came in. Let's go, Hongjong. Hojuong. Oh, bro. Choreo right now, too? Okay, Sungwa, you need to stop looking in the camera like that, bro. Oh, look at this visuals. Oh. Nope. There's another thing about this channel. If I hear something really nice, whether it be rap flow, whether it be choreo, or whether it's vocals. In this case, it's vocals. We gotta let that rewind back because that was absolutely right there. Let's go. That was. Whoa, hold on. Whoa, hold on. I saw the gun. I saw that, but like that's not what I'm trying to trip on. Yo, who's doing the background vocals right there? Y'all hear them ad libs right there? Hold on a minute. Y'all. Yeah, either that was part of the instrumental, or that gotta be vocals right there. No, like who out here hitting that high whistle right there, bro? Come on now, like come on. Choreo right now, dude. This choreo is powerful. Like, look how intense. Just look at that. Look at that. Okay, Junko. Okay, yeah, this is going on the playlist for show. Like, I've always vibed with ATEEZ from what I reacted to. That's a look. That's a whole look. Hold on. I'm not touching anything. Okay, we just got a teaser to what the next video. What we gonna do here? We're gonna go back to the full cam. This was a banger, and I mean that. Like I said before, I switched to the full cam. I've always vibed with the ATEEZ. I always vibed with them. From what I reacted to, I've always thoroughly enjoyed every single bit of it. And their comeback right here is absolutely amazing. They are coming in strong. That was a strong choreo right there. That the choreography was absolutely very, very, like, it was intense. It was just perfect for this type of song. Then you know you got your vocals going on, then you got your rap flows, like, bro, this just seeing all this come together is absolutely beautiful. The boys are talented. I've never ever doubted them, and I never will. These boys are absolutely amazing. They are a great 8. They are fantastic 8 people that put in a lot. And like I said, Mingi, I hope you find a way to cope with your anxiety in a really, really healthy way. I hope you get better, because it really does suck going through that. But anyways, that's all I really have to say. There's not much I can say besides, like, the vocals, the visuals, the cinematography, like, all that was right there. And just to give us a little small teaser for what's going on at the end of this was absolutely needed, because I almost clicked off of it, and thank God I didn't. But anyways, I'm out of here. Y'all have a good one. Bye.
Excuse me, I think the word you're searching for is Space Ranger.